If you're paying for ChatGPT, sooner or later you'll need those invoices for your books, your accountant, or tax time. There are two ways to get them. One is manual, document by document. The other one is automatic, using Tailride. The manual way is through the ChatGPT interface. Click your profile in the bottom left, go to Settings, then Billing. Under Transaction History, you can see your payments. When you click the arrow next to each payment, it opens in a new tab with options to download the invoice and receipt. This is done one invoice at a time. And if you do that every month for every tool you're subscribed to, it adds up fast. That's where Tailride comes in. It finds and downloads your invoices automatically, no manual digging required. Create a free Tailride account. Log in and install the browser extension, available for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Click the extension icon, set a starting date and settings, then select ChatGPT from the list of supported billing portals. Tailride opens the page, grabs every invoice, and closes the tab when it's done, automatically. Check your dashboard. The invoices are already there, with all line items laid out for you. From here, you can send them straight to a spreadsheet, Google Drive, or your accounting software. It works the same way for any vendor that doesn't email you invoices, which makes it a genuinely useful tool for pre-accounting. Try Tailride free. Links in the description.